Okay, in this one I just wanted to take a minute or two to show you my new voltmeter, DVOM. But first, here's a tip. Don't leave your batteries in the voltmeter because they'll corrode and ruin everything. Now, I did the battery holder inside my old voltmeter corroded and fell apart. So I bought this replacement on Amazon. I think it was like $6, $7. Came in a pack of 5. I didn't need 5, I only needed 1, but I went through all the trouble of soldering it in and everything, and it still didn't work. Well, upon further inspection of the voltmeter internals, it was corroded all over, so it wouldn't have worked anyway. Some of the wires was broke, the resistors and all whatnot, so it wouldn't have worked anyway. So take your batteries out, don't let them sit in it and have a chance to corrode. Now, if you use the meter all the time, you won't have that problem. They'll go dead more than likely before they have a chance to corrode. But if you're at home or even at work in the shop, if you don't use the meter very much and it just sits in your toolbox, take the batteries out. Anything that takes a battery, if you don't use it very often, take the batteries out. I mean, batteries are cheap. It's expensive to replace the meters. Now, my other meter was, I don't think it was a fluke. I've already thrown it away now, but I don't think it was a fluke. But it was very close. It looked just like a fluke. It was very expensive, but it was also 20 years old. So I guess it was time to replace it anyway. This one is just a Klein. I got it at Home Depot. I didn't get it on Amazon. I got it at Home Depot. It's a Klein MM300. I guess that's the model number, the part number. It's just a cheap one. It's nothing special. Yeah, 300. Like I said, it's nothing special, but I don't use one very much, especially now that I'm at home. Every now and then I'll need to use one on a motorcycle. Not very often. I do more of other repairs than electrical. I have done my share of electrical, but whatever. But it also came with the voltage tester for testing your outlets to see if the power is off or on, and then this one here is to make sure everything is wired correctly. I haven't used it yet. I did use it to check my 220 outlet for my air compressor, my welder, and my heater, the heater from a shop, garage, whatever you want to call it. So it works, but I haven't really used it yet to let you know how good it is. But it was only like $40. I know there's cheaper ones out there, but sometimes cheaper is not always the best. So I didn't have the money to go with a very expensive one. I wanted the new snap-on DVOM, but it is what it is. So anyway, hope you liked the video. If you haven't seen my video on the camera that I'm using, check out the card. I'll put a card to it, and I'll see you in the next one.